Okay, so the next problem will be comparing data sets. So the table shows the monthly um, water temperature for 4 locations in the Gulf of Mexico. How can you compare the 12 water temperatures from St. Petersburg's with the 12 water temperatures from Key West? So we're gonna compare this St. Petersburg's and Key West. So this is St. Petersburg's and then Key West. So in comparing the data, um, we have to find the mean. We have to find the mode. We need to find the minimum. You have to find the maximum value. The range. You have to find the median, or that's the quartile 2. You have to find the median lower, or quartile 1, and you have to find the median upper, which is quartile 3. Okay, we have to be very patient because we need to get so many data from this problem, but luckily we can maximize the use of Desmos Scientific Calculator. So I already um, input some of the datas here in Desmos. X there is the St. Petersburg's, while Y is our K West. So when you're going to enter here, you click this part, the show keyboard, and the function. You will see there the stats, this one. Click the stat, and then type X sub 1, and then that will give you X is our St. Petersburg, so that gives you the minimum value. The minimum value is 62. The maximum value, Q1 rather, is 66. Median, that's Q2, 76. Q3, or the median upper, that's 84. And the maximum is 86. Okay, now I already input it. Okay, 62, that's from the Desmos earlier. Now we have to find the median. So for the median, sorry, the mean rather, just type here function again, and then there is mean here. Type X sub 1, so that gives you 75. Okay, for the mode, which is the most frequent score, just look at the data here. Which of the following appears to be the most frequent score? I think it's 686. The mode there is so we have to find there the mode. The mode appears to be for St. Petersburg's is 64. And this one, I think we have 2. We also have 284 and then 286. So we have 3 modes: 64, 84, and then 86. Now for the range, you can get the range by subtracting the highest and the lowest. For St. Petersburg, the highest there is 86. The lowest is 62. So 86 minus 62, that is equal to 24. And we have all the data. Okay, now let's try for K West. Again, our Y is K West, so click again the function. This one is the stat, and then Y1. Y is our Key West. So you have the minimum there, which is 69. The Q1 or the median lower is 73.5. The median is 80, which is the Q2. Q3 is the median upper, which is 85.5. And then the maximum is 87. Okay, we have to find the mean. So the mean here is type function and then mean. Here's the mean, y1. Express your answer into 2 decimal places. The mean is 79.08. So I wrote down here. So we have to find the mode. The mode for K West, we have 82, which appears to be twice, and 87 that appears to be twice as well. So 82 and 87. For the range, you have to get the highest score. The highest score for K West is 87 minus 69. That will give you 18 as the range. So although we have a lot of data that we need to compare for the water temperature of St. Petersburg and Key West, but we were able to maximize the use of Desmos. Okay, so I want you to compare the water temperature of Dauphin Island in Alabama and the Grand Isle in Louisiana using the same method that we used using the Desmos.